Hi, come on in, have a seat. So good morning everyone. When's the last time any of you drew a picture?
Past 5.
Today we're here to draw a picture. So what you'll see here are some crayons, colors in each box. Choose your colors wisely because there will be another group coming in after you and making another picture with what you leave behind.
Thank you.
So here we have the other group.
Everybody say hi.
Why don't we show the kids the pictures that we've drawn?
Yeah, sure. Bye.
So nice.
Wow. Yes.
Why don't you show them what you drew?
It's all black. We all took away the bright colors.
I wish I wasn't this selfish, taking away all the bright colors.
Maybe we could have broken the colors and left half of them for them and for the next group.